how, as a student leader, you are reading this journey?
Satisfactorily, Supreme Court has given a statement, but precisely to speak, I mean, they have clearly mentioned that with the presidential order and with the bifurcation, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh has nothing to do with this judgment. But overall, on the national perspective, unfortunately, see, all of us come together in one country, one constitution founded. But the problem is here, each states have their own priority. Why Telangana people have fought because there was injustice here and the fair means were not being practiced. The same thing can happen in another states also, where you are not taking another states, not giving them a quota, and at the same time we are not giving a proper reservation also. Scraping out that one in higher education is such a big false thing what they have done. We are not happy with that because if we have to take out numbers, precisely they have spoken about the medical services. If you're talking about the medical services, let them take out the list. How many of Dalits, how many of the backward castes have become doctors? Today, if they are coming through this, that is only because of the reservation. Because this decision will help the managements, more particularly the private institutions, because they will demand a large sum of money for the donation which comes in MBBS seats. And not only that, in higher education also. Today, if you're talking about states, earlier the numbers were 80% and 20%, 80% was for the local quota and 20% for the rest of the states also. But today you take out the entire quota system, then what will happen is it is only totally stage managed by these institutions. These managements only will have their entire decision that they can become any student. They can give students whoever they want. Then in that case, it is not equality, it is not going to become proportional representation. Here we are not talking only about weaker sections or downtrodden sections or only Dalits or Gojans. Here we are talking about a proportional representation which should happen with anyone and everyone, which is mentioned in the constitution that this person should go to the forward caste, this person should go to the lower caste. Now the main thing here we are seeing is the political conspiracy that only when a Bharatiya Janata Party government is there and at the same time when a big demand in Gujarat by a young man called Hardik Patel against the quota and against reservations, these kind of things are happening. At this time, this kind of decision is coming, shows that there is a conspiracy which is going against reservation. So instead of opening a proper dialogue, taking such kind of harsh statements is totally against the weaker sections who are still, I mean, we are not talking about politicians or elites within the weaker sections, but we are talking about those downtrodden people who still are surviving, who still are struggling for a living. Such kind of people need reservations.